Behind shoulder is a big waterfall and it's beautiful. Natural Falls State Park is home to a dense forest of maple, oaks, dogwoods, mosses, and ferns, and a 77-foot waterfall that makes a moist environment where all of this is possible. The first section on the hike is stroller and wheelchair friendly. You see a gentle flowing stream as you enter. It's pretty, but just looking at it with your eye wouldn't predict what is just ahead. But your ear will hear the growing sounds of water falling, and you know you are getting close to something special. An observation deck is not far from the entrance. You get a spectacular view of the waterfall from above. At the observation platform, the trail to the bottom gets steeper. The steep parts are mostly concrete stairs. You'll see more of that in a bit. The whole trail is paved or decked. Please stay on the trail and follow the rules. This is a fragile ecosystem and needs protecting so I can take my kids here someday. The waterfall is beautiful, but don't forget to spend some time look at the amazing things that surround it. There are 19 species of ferns that had been documented here. And in 1974, parts of the movie where the red fern grows, it was filmed here. The flow rate varies depending on recent rains, so time your trip accordingly. We have a great time. I give it 2 thumbs up and a foot up.